Hey, what's up everybody? Rob Marzullo here, Ram Studio Comics. Welcome back. So in today's video, I just want to show you a little bit of work from a fellow artist. It's a buddy of mine that I've actually been doing, I did storyboards with, or he kind of got me up to snuff with storyboards, him and another buddy, and they got me into that realm and that industry. And they taught me a lot. This is Chris Scalf's work. He taught me a lot about how to create photorealism, how to create some pretty dynamic stuff with a very reasonable workflow, a very realistic approach. It's actually quite amazing how he simplifies things and takes the the complexity right out of it. So one of the things that's really neat about Chris's work as well is that he uses everything, or he does everything off an Intuos 3 tablet. So I always kind of brag about him when people are like, oh, I need a Cintiq, I need an iPad Pro, I need something like that. No, he does it with an old Intuos 3 and he loves it. He actually wouldn't switch for the world, it sounds like, by the way he likes his workflow and all that. And when you see him break down this stuff, it starts to make more sense. And he gets extreme, amazing photorealism, as you can see up there. This isn't even completed, but he just does a dynamic breakdown and is able to capture photorealism and do this amazing sci-fi stuff. He's done some Star Wars painted comics, some amazing dragon work, just fantastic. And the reason why I wanted to kind of give this artist spotlight to him is to say that, for one, I like the approach. I like the way that he teaches and his breakdown of stuff. He actually just started teaching and sharing more of his content. When I say teach, I mean the things that he's helped me to learn with Photoshop. And when I got into storyboards, I was kind of just lost, He showed me a lot of cool approaches for that. And I'm sure he'll eventually share that with us on his new teaching platforms. So what I wanted to tell you is he's now teaching on Skillshare, which is amazing. I'm actually taking this class right here with the werewolf. It's pretty darn neat. And, so I want to share that with you guys. I'll make sure there's a link in the description box below. I just want to get him some initial traction and some support because he does a great job and he's got a lot of useful techniques. And again, I think it's going to be very helpful to artists out there that are, that think that it's a lot more complex and hard to get into than it really is. I mean, nothing's easy and it takes a lot of hard work, and he's definitely put the years in, but it's one of those things where sometimes all it takes is the right teacher to show you that, it's not really as tough as you think. You're kind of overthinking the process. And I think that's where he shows a lot of that in his workflow. And, the nice thing too is his range. You get to see just, realism and portraiture style, but then also how you can take ideas to the extreme and do the very neat and dynamic fantasy-based art that he does and he's known for. So I'll make sure there's links in the description box below so you can follow his work. Let me know in the comments section below what you think, as well as what you'd like to see in the future. And I'll make sure to bring you more artist spotlights as the channel progresses. So thanks very much for tuning in. As always, keep drawing, keep having fun, and bye for now.